Morning.
Morning.
Look, you don't complain when I go close. Oh, that's
I'm bothered. Alright, viewers.
Monday morning.
Right, you can get close to him, but that's
You
that's
see,
fine.
there you go. Now he's kicking off. I'm nowhere near. How is that close?
No, that's alright there.
What about there?
That's way too close.
He just wants to see me wrinkles, doesn't he? Morning.
Hello.
Look at his tan lines, the glasses big.
I know.
Have you been on holiday?
No.
You have. You went to a holiday resort yesterday.
What, Withensea?
Yeah. How did you like Withensea?
If I'm a tourist advisor, right, don't go Withensea.
I think I'm going to buy a caravan.
Farmer Piles have got one for you.
No, it's static. There's one for sale. There's a few for sale on 7 lakes, and they've got you can do jet skiing.
Oh, yeah, buy it.
Annie, show him your new mobile.
Yeah, go.
Oh, we've got another new mobile. Look at the Hulk. Going to be pig van number 2. Swapped it for the S3. Look at this beast. 2013 green mobile. I've already booked in a pop top. I'm going to have a rock and roll bed in it and a bit of a kitchen, fully off grid, solar. We're going to have it as like a company camper van. How cool is that? So anyone can use it. Who's going to be the first to use the company camper van?
Me and Sam, because we're going camping soon again.
It's going to be really cool, is that? So I wonder what vehicle we'll buy next week. Rory, my little 4-year-old, said it's the Hulk van. I think it's pretty cool. At the moment, it's a crew cab, so it's got the seats in it and the bulkhead, but that's coming out. So if anybody wants to buy a triple seat bulkhead and roof lining for a Transit Custom to turn their little custom into a crew cab, hit me up. What's that for?
Is it recording?
Aye.
It is a template for the shower wall.
Template for a template for a template.
Yeah, literally. Yeah.
Let's have a look. I love it. It does look good on camera, that line. Did you not get any emails from DeWalt wanting to sponsor you?
ReganWait123@gmail.com. There's going to be some people that are going to go to lengths and make like a fake DeWalt account. I'm watching you.
Cupboards.
Yeah. Soft closers.
It does look nice with the black and the grey, doesn't it?
Yeah, I wasn't too sure at first.
No, I like it.
Yeah.
Especially around front when there's going to be even more grey.
Oh, yeah, quite nice though.
Do you like it, Samuel?
Yeah, I do actually.
It's a bit messy. I need to give it a good hoover and clean, but that's the...
So your template that you're doing now, your inside shower wall,
Yeah, foot back.
but it will also be the template for the outside shower wall as well,
Yeah.
and probably the other side of the
Maybe.
that as well.
Definitely both of them sides. So yeah, I don't know what they saw last, but cupboards are in.
I ain't actually been round front. I don't think into the side. You're gonna do it live?
Yeah, I'm gonna so they can see my reaction.
I don't even think I've seen them doors on.
I forgot about them doors. I forgot I did them. So yeah.
Did you do them today?
Yeah. Right. That.
Do you reckon one more or?
Yeah. Maybe one more. Let's fix her up. And mark her again. But yeah. It's getting there.
Close, innit? What have we done in here? I did this frontal today. Did this frontal. It's going to there. Carpeting. Been done on the ceiling. I don't know if you've seen the Sky Max in on this van either. So Sam's just doing these surrounds that we like to put round here. A lot of people don't do them, but I just think it finishes it off nice. If you put that nice little surround on, then he'll be doing one on the back, then Sam will be on the lap. I'm on with the bed frontal So I'm going to try that in now. Make sure that fits lovely. Once it does, I can mark up where I want the cut out for the door. Get that cut out, get it painted, and get it in. Get the shower side in, and then we're on to the rear cupboards. Hello! We have a dance. Campervan Gaz want to dance. Campervan Gaz want to dance.
Sorry guys, I'm not a trained chimpanzee or trained dancer. Only when I'm drunk.
What else happens when you're drunk?
You don't want to know.
Hi boy. You stop being in a grump.
No.
Why are you in a grump?
Well, no, that's that.
Why?
That right in my face.
He said put it right in your face, so I had to do it.
Okay.
Are you okay?
No.
What's wrong?
Been poisoned by.
You didn't go to prison. That's a good thing. Well, have a look at Regan's van, eh? Beautiful. Shower side up. There. That's done. Needs painting. Just got your white stuff. It's in truck.
Go grab it.
It's a bit thicker than usual. This one. What's happened on this one? Oh, Sam's done his surround, and I presume that's what he's on. Are you on with a SkyMax surround? I've done the frontal, which has just been painted, and that can go in. Once that's in, I can do the shower side and then work backwards on the cupboards. Is this the next part of the kitchen, Mr. Beechwood?
It is, have a look under there because I can't be arsed lifting it up. Big Belfast sink.
That's a beast, innit? Have a bath in there, you.
That good. Easy.
I tell you what we haven't done. Because we thought we did, but we didn't. We didn't go through this.
Well, we did.
And it went...
We did, but you forgot to send it.
I forgot to send it.
This is the original picture. I think they were a Renault Master. So if you look at the... we've used that detail, haven't we?
Yep.
We've fired that one off.
Yeah.
Pants.
Oh, hell. It's all coming down.
certainly-
Hey, that's the thumbnail. It all came crashing down.
That's just dramatic.
Give us one of these faces.
That's no. You got bad enough for that cross-eyed face. That's in the bin.
That's in the bin.
That's just like something that you'd buy off marketplace, isn't it? Right?
Yeah.
So these were just generic ideas, like with this, which we've actually used, but I've done that full size. Anywho, forget them. This is the limited information that Danny can be bothered doing.
Not
we
wrong
have
with
to
that.
work with. Well, a couple more drawings would be handy.
It's better than on back of a piece of wood, isn't it?
No, it ain't. I like mine. Look, see?
Yeah, it
Hang
is.
on. Yeah?
Yeah, well, I'm not going to do it perfect, am I?
So anyway, fridge, drawer, 2 cupboards.
And that's what we've just seen. That's already in, isn't it? The fridge
you
and
been
the
in?
drawer, yeah.
Alright. Belfast sink, hob, and obviously false floor.
Now that's going to be a double rather than a single now, isn't
it
it?
says double window, so you can see. So if you've had a look, you'll know what I'm on about. So at the minute, what I'm making is this box, but it's different than that because of the window. We've had to do it as a 2-tier for the kitchen, because otherwise that sink's 240mm. So you'll be touching your toes as you wash it up. So I've had to lift it up a bit. Even I'd be touching my toes. So I hope that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are good, these, just to have a bit of an idea, right? I know you're going to say, oh, I want everything on it, and I want to see every angle, and I want to see it upside down and back to
more
front.
than one picture.
Well, I've got more than one.
Where are they?
You don't pay for the ink, my friend.
I'll pay for the ink and get it done. So we'll have a look. Kind of. Right, different colours, but the same white cupboards.
Massively different colours.
Obviously that's a lot better than on the picture.
Yeah.
So Samuel's been on that today. Have you explained about that?
Have our balls, no.
Alright, okay. because we need to get the waste out. Then this cupboard that I'm making, it's going to go over that. So then that'll be on the inside of the cupboard, and then that'll be for the waste. Be handy if you can see my hand. I'm waving it about. It's not even in shot, like, you know what I mean. Proper YouTuber. So that'll come up, double unit to about here. Then it'll go down. I'm going to put a false lid onto the diesel heater so we can service that. Well, we won't, but someone else will. There's a frontlet and an outlet. So one air in, one air out. Job's a good one. Right. I think it looks better than the pictures.
It's lovely, innit?
You get there.
I really like this van. I really, really, really like this van.
We've got to do the bureau yet after this, haven't we?
What is it?
The bureau.
Bureau.
It's going to be interesting.
I think it's going to look... well, it's already starting to look beautiful, isn't it?
We told them about the light, didn't we?
No?
You sure?
I'm sure.
Alright, okay. The light's routed in underneath, so when we do cross-turn wires and stuff, it all lights up.
Do you think I can put it on?
Do you reckon you can?
I reckon I can.
It might be about... You can try it. Just leave them as they are. Here we go. Woo! Shall we see what it looks like? When you're in bed, you can turn it on and off, so it's just a nice nighttime light if you wanted to get up and use the toilet and whatever else, and you can just turn over and click it off. Job's a good one.
Cool, is that it?
Yeah, be nice with the flooring. I'm more obviously.
Walk into the camera and then you can, like, we'll do some special editing, can't it? To, like, go to the next frame.
Hot cross bun time.
Yeah, boy.
Where's the toaster gone?
It's in this cupboard here. There you go. I mean, you might get some diseases off it. It's been in there a while. But
Nah, but it cooks to a certain temperature, doesn't it?
it'll do, won't it?
Yeah, well, you can have yours first, so... If
Well, we had toast yesterday, didn't we, when we hadn't died?
Because I resurrected your eggs, that's why.
You did a good job with them. Oh, baby. That's not right. Rick, I've found a problem.
Oh,
That's too short.
shut up.
It is?
There for artistic purposes only.
Not very artistic, to be honest. All joking apart, this is going to look absolutely beautiful. What are you doing, GB? That's for this van. As soon as we get them lats up. Oh, I don't think I showed you this. I finished this frontal off yesterday. Did that one yesterday. And this one. Got the hole over there for all the pipes to go through. Hole at the front for the door. As you'll see, that's not quite central. But that's for a reason, because we've got 550 for the kitchen, 600 at that side for the shower, but then there's a 15mm on there, so if our work calculations are correct, that's going to be bang in the middle of the floor with the herringbone flooring running straight down middle. So once we've got these lats between the fans, the fan and the skylight, we've got 9 going across here. Once we've got that in, then I can start working on this side and start doing the shower frame at that side, and then once the shower frame's up, we can get them cupboards up at both sides. I believe that once I've got that up, I think Sam will jump on the rear cupboards while I do the shower. And we've got a seat facing forward there for Cat, and we're going to build that floor up a little bit so that seat and that seat is level, and we'll have a table on the wall. So it's definitely cracking on quite quick. Shall we see what Ronnie's been up to? What has Ronnie been up to? That's the question. His shower's pretty much in. It's got the hygiene board, waterproof board on that side. Last minute change of plan there. Couple, Martin and Louise, saw the Rico board that we did on the last one, so it's going over the Rico panel. Oh, thank you, love. Look at this. And then again, that's having a seat facing forward, but that one is actually going to be a travelling seat for a human, not a cat. This metal frame seat with the 3-point seat belt, all crash tested, that going in there. And again, that'll have a raised floor as well. So I'm going to eat the hot cross bun.